Hey guys, it's Gary back with a legal tip on agency agreements that automatically renew. So, as y'all know, South Carolina is kind of a kick butt place to live. Everybody wants to move here. And as our market continues to shine, more agencies from out of state start moving into our market. And what I've noticed is that they like to use their documents, the documents they use in their state or in their out of market. And so, what happens is they bring in documents that don't comply with South Carolina law. And in addition to that, we have some agents perhaps in South Carolina that don't understand the law and do things that are in violation as well. One of these things that I have started to see recently is agency agreements that have no end date. There's just blanket agency agreements that start today and never end, or they automatically renew. And both are specifically prohibited under South Carolina law. Under South Carolina Code 40-57 135I, a listing agreement must have a definitive begin date and a definitive end date, and they may not have an auto renewal in them. So don't do that. If you're thinking about putting in there that the listing agreement automatically renews unless it's updated canceled 30 days prior to the end of the term, that is illegal. That is actionable under the statute. That could get you a grievance before LLR. That could get you in trouble. So those are not allowed. So make sure everybody understands. Must have a definitive begin date, must have a definitive end date. There may not be an auto renewal clause in an agency agreement, whether it's buyer agency or whether it is seller agency. So hopefully we'll stop seeing some of this craziness. If you see brokerages from out of state coming in doing that, do them a favor, let them know that we don't allow that in South Carolina. They may allow that in Virginia or North Carolina, wherever, but we do not allow that in South Carolina. All right, if you're listening to this video today, it is 9/16/2022. Don't forget, between 1 o'clock and 3 o'clock, we have a drop-in in Camden so that y'all can see our brand new office out there at 708 Lafayette. If you go down between the courthouse and First Baptist Church, we'll be right there on the right at the Tanner Speedy Atkinson building. Very excited to see y'all. And also, don't forget that Oktoberfest is back this year, October 6th. It will not be in our parking lot this year, so we don't have to fight the weather. It will be at the Tin Roof, and the name this year is called Rocktoberfest. And backed by popular demand, we have the Tin Roof. The Tin Roof has got bands for us. We have Tokyo Joe is our big headliner, so we're really excited about seeing y'all at our October 6th. It's still going to be a fundraiser for the South Carolina Military Family Care Association. So y'all come out to both those events. Y'all have a great weekend. See you next week.